Welcome to Module 3, How to Pick Your Business Model. So let's listen to our expert.
How to pick your online business model. This is the year that you plan to really succeed in your online business and to make it a full-time income. However, in order to build a successful online business, you need to first identify the primary business model you want to follow. There are millions out there, and you may already have one in mind or have one you have committed to. If not, or if you have decided you need to change your focus, here are 7 of the most popular online business models. Number 1. AdSense site. AdSense sites are very popular with people that want a business model that is relatively simple and easy to implement. These sites usually consist of a blog or other type of website with many pages of content that is added to consistently. In order to be successful with AdSense site, it is important to rank well in the search engines for many long-tail keywords and to drive a lot of traffic to the site. These sites were extremely popular in the early days of the internet. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers sell other people's products and then take a commission on the sale. Business models for affiliate marketers might consist of an e-commerce site. You can even sell affiliate products on Facebook pages by using YouTube to drive traffic to an affiliate offer. Most affiliate marketers also focus on building a list they can sell other products to over and over. Number 3. Info products. Many internet marketers have made their fortunes creating and selling their own digital info products. These might include writing ebooks and guides, creating software, designing graphics, and shooting informational videos, delivering e-courses, or writing private label rights products to sell. Most info product sellers expand their income by recruiting affiliates to help. Number 4. E-commerce sites. An e-commerce site is an online store where you can either sell your own products, drop ship products from other vendors, or sell products as an affiliate. They can be a little more difficult to rank in search engines due to the lack of consistent, fresh content. However, good keyword research, SEO, and an active blog can make up for that. Number 5. Provide services. One of the quickest ways to make money online is to offer your services through freelance sites. You can write articles and ebooks, design graphics, sell your programming skills, or charge for virtual assistant services. If you have a great deal of experience in one area, you can also sell coaching services. A membership site requires customers to sign up for a recurring payment in exchange for regularly provided content. Membership sites can be ongoing or a specific length of time. They might involve regular newsletters, new private label rights content each month, or even your own coaching services. It's certainly attractive to know that you'll earn a regular income each month. Number 7. Flip sites. Some marketers love the process of building sites, so they just focus on buying or building sites, then selling them. There are auction sites that specialize in this type of model. Where to find more ideas? The Warrior Forum has many types of business models that are sold through Warrior Special Offers, WSOs, which you'll get ideas from. You can join their Warrior Room to get even more advice and ideas. You can also visit other internet marketing forums and websites where you can interact with successful internet marketers to get ideas and feedback. How to pick your business model with so many internet business models to choose from. It's a challenge to pick just one to start with. Try looking first at what appeals to you straight away. What stands out? Then think about whether you already have the skills or whether you will need to learn them. Is there anyone you can easily outsource to if you don't have skills yourself? How much will it cost to implement that business model? Do you have the funds? Once you've answered these questions, just pick a model and run with it. While you may need to do some more research to get a good grasp of the details and understand what's involved in each model, you need to make a decision sooner rather than later. You'll never make any money online if you don't just dive in and get moving. So pick an online business model that appeals to you, put the blinders on, and move ahead.